Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Krea AI. It's a new AI tool and in this video tutorial explain you how you can use this AI tool perfectly. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, I am going to career.ai. This thing I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirect to here. So first, you need to log in here just using your Gmail. So I want to log in first. So I want to continue with Google. Wow, my login are successfully here. So I want to first show you a real time generation. So this is really attractive to other people and me for real time generation is huge different. Wow. So pink prong on the top blue mushroom. Wow. So I want to change this color. So if I change this option, you can see these are really move to others. So I want to change this prompt. You can see pink prong. I want to read a red plug. So I want to change this color. So red. Wow. You can see a red flag. If I want to change this icon here and mushroom on blue mushroom, I want to change this. Wow. You can see this is a white mushroom. So I want to change anything here. So I delete this prompt. Then I write here a red car in the road. In the road. You can see this is a perfect solutions for any others. Wow, this with stop sign. Wow, this is a really no style. So I want to this style. Here is a lots of style here. So I want to product, then quick enhance. Wow. So this is a really attractive me. So I want to change here and wow. So if I want to download this photo, just click this icon. Just click here, then my photo are downloaded. So I want to go this photo. Wow. Now you can use this photo on social media post and any other purpose. This doesn't matter because this is your own photo. So again, this on this here. Uh, so I want to change this prompt again here. Again, this on. So I want to delete this on, then add more. Wow, this is really attractive to people. So I want to change this prompt again. So if you want to more video to type of, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Bye.